I'm Sohaila Nazneen. I'm an associate professor at the University of Dhaka. I'm also linked with the Center for Gender and Social Transformation, which is based at BRAC Development Institute at BRAC University. I'm here at this conference on behalf of the Secretariat that is going to be set up to support the regional network for the South Asian women MPs. And I'm basically listening to what the MPs have to say at this conference to find out what kind of needs that they have in terms of the support that they may want from the Secretariat, particularly the kind of issues and the areas that they would be wanting to work on at their country level, and also in terms of the regional collaboration, what kind of themes and issues and areas that they want to collaborate on, and also in terms of how they plan to move forward. So what kind of things that they need from us in order for them to be able to do their job. The Secretariat is set up for 2 years. The funding is for 2 years. So in terms of staff time, in terms of the space and everything else that's available to us, it's only for 2 years. In terms of the planning, we are hoping that the country action plans that are being formed here right now, that is something that the country teams would take back and that they would be implementing, and we would be supporting them all throughout 2 years in terms of linking them up with relevant people or networks that they want to be linked up to, in terms of giving them information and research that's available on particular topics that they're working on, in terms of serving as a space where they can learn from each other. So that's what we are going to do for 2 years. I think I'm surprised by the energy level. I mean, you always expect that conferences would be full of energy, but I think it's just really gelling really well, and also a lot of interest in gender budgeting, a lot of interest in how do you build not just a caucus at the national level, but how do you build a regional caucus that would push things through and sort of collaborate with each other in terms of what people have done, what things have been done successfully at their country level, and to sort of develop the forum as a sort of a learning space. So that sort of is really great, because that's something that we really wanted from them. I mean, it's not something that you want to impose that, oh, go ahead and do ABC. You know, it's sort of want the buy-in from people who would be participating in this network. And you certainly see that ownership developing, which is really, really exciting. But the thing is that in terms of looking at women's political futures in South Asia, particularly in terms of representation, and not just representation that you have reserved seats, so women got nominated and they came in, but really becoming a strong political force in the parliament or at the local level, and sort of building those kind of linkages among each other, and sort of mentoring other women across parties, not just thinking about your own party, small, narrow interests. I mean, that's something that I'm hoping that it will happen. The other thing that I'm hoping that it will happen is, it seems like a lot of people have been talking about that finance is a big issue. So sort of thinking about not just financial resources that you need and finding other sources that may fund the work, but also resources mean people's time, people's expertise. So how do you tap into those? And people started thinking along those lines and thinking about how you can use the different media and different forms of communication to have access to those resources. So I'm sort of hoping that it will come through at some point.